I wanted to show you a nifty little way to get email for your new website through Google Apps. So what you need to do is go to Google, type in Google Apps, and this doesn't cost any money. Choose Google Apps free, click the Get Started button, and then enter your domain name. And then click Get Started. And then fill all this out. Make sure that you check this box, and you can say no to most of these things, and no, and then click Continue. And then your username is going to be info. Make it simple. Alright, and then pick a hard to guess password, and then try to solve the CAPTCHA, which is always hard. And then make sure this is checked, because you want the new stuff to come in as soon as possible. Yeah, I messed up the CAPTCHA. Alright, we'll try again. So if this one works, sometimes I have to try 3 or 4 times before I get it to work. Okay, now the next thing you want to do is you want to verify domain ownership. And the way you do that is by clicking Next and Next, and you want to download this file, and you want to go find that file. And you want to go to your domain, it's right here, and then you can leave everything as is. What you want to do though is you want to change this all the way down here on MX Records, edit, and paste in that entry that we just had. You have to take out the period on some cPanels. So click Edit, and you should be all set. Let's go back here, click up here, go to the inbox, and we're getting email. Okay, here's an intro email, how to get started, and all that stuff.